Now, let's start by entering the image click and zoom page. Next, click on the Settings menu. Then, select the WooCommerce option from the list. Scroll down to the Zoom Viewer Content To Be Style section where you'll find a variety of general settings. Most of these settings are quite straightforward and you'll likely understand their purpose at a glance. For example, you can adjust the zoom level. You can also set the response time for opening and closing images, and even choose where the zoom percentage number appears. However, there are a few settings I'd like to highlight for you today. First up is the Disable Right-Click toggle. This option prevents users from downloading original images. If you want to protect your images from being easily saved, enabling this can be really helpful. You can also customize the tooltip text here. Next, let's look at the navigation arrows hover and show only while interacting toggles. When these toggles are turned off, you'll notice that the navigation arrows and Minimap remain visible on the screen at all times. But if you turn both of them on, then go ahead and click the Save Settings button. Now, let's move to the product publishing page. Enter the Quick Edit section and click the Update button. After that, refresh the web page. As you can see now, when you're not interacting with the image, the navigation arrows and Minimap will automatically hide. However, as soon as you move your cursor near the area where the navigation arrows or Minimap usually appear, they'll show up again. The Minimap will also appear whenever you move or zoom in on the image. Even when the navigation arrows are hidden, you can still switch between images using the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. These hover toggles are designed to help users focus on every detail of the image without distractions while zooming in. As for the other general settings, feel free to explore them on your own and see how they work.